Hello students, I am Ravi Kumar. Come with new unit 4, and today's topic is entrepreneurial skills. After the self-management, self-control, you are the for the result of the discussion is today's topic is very important for your future. Entrepreneurial skill. That is the skill. First, what is the meaning of the entrepreneurial? Entrepreneurial is for a person take financial risk and set up a business. A person can develop the financial status for the set up a new business or the move smoothly and growly. If you are students, you will definitely you will see your shining futures. So entrepreneurial skill is very important if you are going to the business side. In entrepreneurship, you will set up a business not for the your only profit, it is all for the services. Now we have the various types of the business forms. You can see types of businesses. First is manufacturing. In manufacturing businesses, you purchase the raw material and make a new materials that is used for the customer and consumers, like your iron make the your rod, and these types of the business is called manufacturing, that is make a new machines or things. Next is the merchandising business. Merchandising business is a simple selling and buying. If you want to buy a smaller price and sell higher selling price, that is called profit. It is simple concept for the marketing, like your medicines, your ornaments stores is the going on the these types of the business. Some business are provided on the services, that is called service business, like your telecommunication, customer care, and many telecommunication only provide for your services, and according to services take the income. Hybrid business, which business definition is a combination of the other business, that is called the hybrid. Hybrid means the combination of two or more types of definition, that is called hybrid. Sub business is a combo pack of the some manufacturing, merchandising, and the servicing. Okay, now in the market we have find the various types of business organization. Now discuss about some points. Form of businesses organization, we have some terms. First is private limited. Private limited is the limited entities. We have in these types of organization 2 to 15 are the participate on these types of the business. Public limited. Public limited have maximum limited, like that the 15 to 50 2 to 50 members in these types of the business, or this is the publicly open. So proprietorship. Sole means that is the only own owner for the governing this the business. This is the gain only the profit and also bear to the all the risks occur on that business. Next one is the partnership business. If you are not able to stable your own business, you can go with the partnership business. There are two or more, and whatever your requirement, you can make a business that is called the partnership business. Next is the joint family business. This business is going on the family. The family member make the materials and someone sell, like the your small agarbatti, mombatti, like types of the business is belonging to the joint family business. Cooperative. In this cooperative business is belonging to the open. Everywhere everybody can join this business, and anybody anytime join and anytime drop. That is the business that is called cooperative business. This is the belonging to the society's business. You are also here the cooperative bank, that is the combination of various. Now your mind is occur. The one question is, what is the importance of the entrepreneurship and what is the entrepreneurship development? Why we develop the entrepreneurship? Because dear students, entrepreneurship is important. If you are not interested for the business, but you must be understood to the what is the meaning and the, how to work the business, because we are the part of the business. It's like directly or indirectly we are the customer or consumer. Now we come to the important point of the entrepreneurship. What is the role of the entrepreneurship in our life? First is create new business. If you have the entrepreneurship skill, you can develop your own business according to your skill or your ability. Second is added to national income. If you are open your setup your business, your income is also calculated in including your nation, so it's better for the your nation. Helps to social changes. If everybody is entrepreneurship, so your society is definitely changes, because everybody is stand on her its food. Helps to community development. Entrepreneurship is the main important is community development. Community that means a skilled society and they have sufficient money, facilities for his future and present also. So entrepreneurship is very important. So I hope you are very interested for your improve your entrepreneurship skills. Now after the many risks, definitely you got some rewards. That reward is very important. Some rewards are make own rules. In entrepreneurship, the first and important reward is you make your own rules. Whatever your rule is follow and unfollow is dependent on you. Whatever you make, not never follow the other rules. Second is follow own schedules. Definitely if you make own rules, you should be follow your schedule. That means which time you go to there and here. It's dependent on your mind, on your thinking. Now unlimited growth in this entrepreneurship, because this is your business set up by you. So whatever your time you work and spend on your business is dependent on you. So limit your growth is dependent on your effort. Fourth one is create employment. Fourth one is very important for the other who not participate on the entrepreneurial skill. There is a part of the employment, there search the jobs and employees, so that time you are the make the employment for that person. I hope everybody understood the entrepreneurial skill and interested for the entrepreneurial skill. It's a develop personality according to your knowledge education. I hope you understand, and some question appear on the your screen. Note down in your notebook, and thank you for watching.